Hi everyone, welcome to my Subelia beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I got at Boxy Pop Up in November. Um, so let me go ahead and show you what I got because I spent only $60. All the things that I have 10 items. I paid $60 and $5 shipping US, so I paid $65 American. So it was a really good purchase. So I was able to get the Cover FX blurring primer, this one here, and this one Sephora. Was it Sephora, or yeah, it was Sephora. They had a deal in all the other Cover FX, or I ordered directly from Cover FX. I'm not sure. I have to. Anyway, I purchased all the other primer that they have, you know, with the colors. So I didn't have this one, and now I have this one. And then if we stay in the same brand for Cover FX, I was really curious about these drops. One is a custom and enhancer drops, and the other one it's glitter drops. So for the enhancer I have the color Blossom, and for the glitter I have the color Mirage. So if you want to have an idea of the bottle, this is the Mirage, and this one is the Blossom color, this one here. So this was it, and then I can show you I will show you Becca. I'm sure you're not surprised. I saw Becca product, I will get it. So this one is the bronze amber, and I have, did I purchase this at Winners? I'm not sure, but I wasn't sure, but I wasn't going to pass that deal, so I purchased it. So this is, I'm going to remove the plastic. So this is the bronzing powder, and it's a really nice color. I'm not swatching all the products if you watch my BoxyCharm videos, because I want to make like different videos where I use them. I want to test them. So this is just to show you what I got in my box so that it doesn't end up being long. But if you want me to show you the texture, but you have already seen this, if you watch some sneak peeks and some other YouTube videos, you know, the sneak peeks and the scoop, you already have seen this. So it will not be a different product if I show you the texture. But if you really want me to do it, I will do it, of course. But I have other plans for the products, and this is why I'm not showing you and opening all the products. And this is Ciate London glitter flip. I have already purchased a few colors of this one here. I purchased at Sephora, and also I ordered directly from Ciate London. Sorry, from Ciate London. And this is the color. I think I don't have this one here. It's sure, I hope it's not this one that I have purchased. So I have this one, and then I have purchased the It Secret Sauce Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer. This one here, it's I think 15 milliliters, and in Canada the 61, it's pretty much high, so it was a really good bargain so that I can try it. So I got this one here, and then I purchased, because I was like, do I buy that much of product or not? So I have because when I was purchasing for the Boxy Pop Up, I went from 120 down to 90, down to 48, up to 60 something, and then down again, and then up, and I ended up buying for only $60. So this is why a lot of the products that I got in my cart went out of stock. So I was able to get only 2 MAC lipstick, but if I had purchased right away when I was there, I could have maybe have like 5 or 6 MAC lipstick, but I don't mind, it's okay. And I really want to try lots of makeup product, and I was pretty happy with this one here. It's the under eye brightening corrector, and for the price it was well worth it. I think it was $6 if I remember correctly. I don't have my receipt in this here. So this is the brightening, this one here, under eyes. So it's I have enough product that I can make like just a video like for each brand. So this is why I'm excited about. And this is the soft light blurring powder pink haze. Again, and this one here, really nice package. And I will be also able to compare it with the Stellar product that is available at Sephora, and I was able to put my hand on it during the holiday sale, like the Black Friday sale. So this was for my Boxy Pop Up. If you want more information for the BoxyCharm, all the subscription, the price, if you are in Canada, you can just check my description box and you will have all the price in Canadian and USA. And you can also use my referral code. It will give me points and I can redeem them and have some products to try. So thanks again, thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.